Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your display name in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Booking app. And here it opens up in the search menu. From here we just go into the profile menu. Tap on manage your account. Tap on personal details. Scroll down. And then tap on display name, and here we can enter the name that we want to be displayed on our profile if someone visits our profile. And after we have done it, we can just tap on save, and it's going to be saved like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.